Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about design pattern in Java, abstract factory pattern. So abstract factory pattern says that just define an interface or abstract class for creating families of related or dependent objects, but without specifying their concrete subclasses. That means abstract factory lets a class returns a factory of classes. So this is the reason that abstract factory pattern is one level higher than factory pattern. An abstract factory pattern is also known as Git. So advantage of abstract factory pattern. Abstract factory pattern isolates the client code from concrete implementation classes. It eases the exchanging of object families and it promotes consistency among objects. Usage of abstract factory pattern. So when the system needs to be independent of how its objects are created, composed and represented. When the family of related objects has to be used together, then this constraint needs to be enforced. When you want to provide a library of objects that does not show implementations and only reveals interfaces. When the system needs to be configured with one of a multiple family of objects. UML for abstract factory pattern. Going to create a bank interface and a loan abstract class as well as their subclasses. Then we will create abstract factory classes next set. Then after we will create concrete class bank factory loan factory that will extend abstract factory class. After that abstract factory pattern example class uses factory creator to get an object of abstract factory class. Diagram. Then example of abstract factory pattern calculating the loan payment for different banks like HDFC, ICICI, SBI, etc. Create a bank interface. Create concrete classes that implement the bank interface. Create the loan abstract class. Then create concrete classes that extend the loan abstract class. Create an abstract class that is abstract factory to get factories for bank and loan objects. Create the factory classes that inherit abstract factory class to generate the object of concrete class based on given information. Create a factory creator class to get factories by passing in information such as bank or loan. This is the output. So this was a brief discussion on abstract factory pattern. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.